This is event number 276, heat number 4. Swimming in lane 1 is Bernardo Geometries of Modern Aquatic. In lane 2 is Angela of Torpedo Ray. In lane 3 is Maria Kisha Isabel of Swimming Bay Dolphins. In lane 4 is Colonel Samantha of Grotto Vista Resort. In lane 5 is Dr. Lera Mike Carame of Grotto Vista Resort. In lane 6 is Marcia Maria Stella of Fiber Sharks. In lane 7 is Calpidoniana Jill of Torpedo Ray. In lane 8 is Simbulan Chan of Modern Aquatic.
Umiti na. Sunod dito ako eh.
Busog yata.
6 ako eh. Yan. Yan. Patiyahan na.
May ka din dyan.
Naka-pink yung sumisigaw.
Sino?
Ay, naka-pink kayo, no?
Sino may ka niya?
Maika! Go! Maika!
Basta! Nailing! Bilis!
Go!
Dali!
Dali!
Bilisan mo! Kick! Kick! Go! Dali!
Unahan pa siya, no?